Welcome to Greyhound Automotive. We have a 2000 Chevy K2500. It was one owner fleet maintained by the city. It's been sat for a long time. The fuel smells old. I added 5 gallons of fuel to it, and it still does not run properly. Sometimes it runs better than other times, and other times it's very hard to start. I talked to a mechanic, and he said that the injectors are clogged, and you have to possibly replace the injectors or clean the injectors. Work truck, manual windows, manual door locks. Go try to start it. $156,329 miles. So running, and then it seems like it warms up. It warms a little bit better, but I still have to get further diagnosis and possibly replace or clean the injectors out. Just standard 5.7, 350.